To raise a tracking item, you will need to click the three lines in the top left-hand corner, and you'll select Student. Before we continue, let me discuss tracking items. Tracking items are a generic name for kudos, flags, and referrals in Starfish. Tracking items are recorded in the student's folder and generate an email to the student and to the student's assigned advisor. Kudos acknowledge positive progress and achievements. Flags are reminders to keep students on track with their academic progress. And referrals direct students to resources available on campus. Now, there are several ways to raise a tracking item, and you can use these tabs that are listed here to filter for your students. So you can use your drop-down arrows. For this demonstration, I've gotten permission from one of our student workers in the Start Center. So to narrow my search, I'm going to begin by typing his name. Now, there are a couple ways that I can raise a tracking item, so let me go over those here with you. If I highlight over his name, I have the option to raise a flag or raise a kudo. If I select the checkbox to the left of his name, I'm able to raise a flag, a referral, or kudos. Now please make sure you check that box. If you do not, what will happen is you'll get an error saying that you'll need to select one of the students from the list. Okay, and that will occur with any of the options you choose. So if you're doing the option of clicking the checkbox to the left of your student's name, that will allow you to use your features. Now, the last option of being able to raise a tracking item is you're able to click your student's name and populate their student folder. Now, as you see, I have the option to raise a flag, referral, or kudos. In this demonstration, we're going to raise a flag. Now, when raising a flag, there are several steps that you must complete before you save and have this information submitted to your student. We're going to use the example of academic achievement concern. So you must select the type of flag that you're wanting to send to your student. Make sure it fits the appropriate measures of why you're sending this flag. You'll select a course. And for this demonstration, we're just going to do his public speaking class. You can designate an assignee if that's necessary. For this purposes, I'm not. What's most important is that you make a comment. This comment will be sent to your students, so please be mindful of what you put into this comment box. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to type a small message. Okay. Now that I have my comment populated and it's written in, the next step is to save this information. Once again, before saving this, please make sure that you're mindful of the information that you put in this comment box because your students can see this at any point. So we're going to go ahead and save. You get a box populating letting you know that that was a success. The flag has been raised, and you'll click OK. Now, you are able to view the flag that you have raised, and you can do so while still on this page here of the students folder. You'll click your tracking tab, and this box right here where it says academic achievement concern, you'll see that it was raised by me. I can click the plus sign to maximize the information, so that way I can see the comment that I have typed with this flag, which is very important, once again, that you do make a comment. Anytime that you raise a tracking item, your students will receive an email. So please make sure you encourage your students to check their KCTCS email on a daily basis. Okay, so this is one way that you can view your information as far as making sure your flag has gone through.